Now I have created an AI agent over here that helps to write the product description and blog post. So I'm giving number 1, which is the generate product description. So let me take this product. So now our agent is working over here. Now it has completed the task. Now let us go and check the product. Now you can see that automatically the product description is created for this particular product. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring Google's Agent Development Kit, which is a powerful tool that's revolutionizing AI. It helps you to build AI agents, orchestrate complex workflows, or create multiple agent systems. The AI Development Kit is a flexible and modular framework. It serves as a comprehensive toolkit. Basically, it is a Python framework that simplifies the process of building and deploying AI agents, which will enable the developers to create, deploy, and orchestrate AI architectures capable of handling various tasks, from basic operations to complex workflows. Now, the core philosophy behind ADK is to align the agent development process with traditional software development methodologies. So, we can actually write or build the AI agents in a similar way as we do software development. We can actually write it using Python code. Now let's discuss about what are the key components that are there in the agent development kit. First one is the agents. An agent is like the brain of the system. It understands your instructions and decides what actions to take. For example, if you ask it to write a product description, the agent figures out how to get that done. Now the next component is a tool. Now the tools gives the agent abilities like searching Google, calling an API, sending emails, or uploading products to the Shopify. There are a lot of built-in tools like the Google search tool, etc. In the ADK itself. Now if you want to create a custom tool, that also can be done. We just have to write Python functions and classes to build the tools. Next, we have the instructions. Instructions are short text that tell the agent what its job is. For instance, let's say create an SEO friendly product title and description from the product features. Another thing is the session management helps the agent to remember what happened with the interactions between the and the agent is managed by the sessions. This is useful like when the task involves multiple steps or follow-ups like writing and then uploading a product. So it helps the agent to remember what happened earlier. Now there comes a web debugging UI also. ADK comes with a visual interface that shows what the agent is doing in real time. It helps us to test and improve the agent without writing extra code. Now let us look at the different types of agents in the Google Agent Development Kit. So there is one type of agent which is called the LLM based or the language model based. Now what it does is it uses a large language model like Gemini or ChatGPT to make intelligent decisions and generate the output. Now this is best for writing in an e-commerce scenario. This is best for writing product descriptions, answering questions, summarizing the content and generating ideas. One example I can give is like we can ask it to give given the product details, we can ask it to write catchy title and SEO friendly descriptions. Now the next agent is called the workflow agents. Inside the workflow agents itself, we have 3 different type of agents, that is sequential agent, parallel agent and loop agent. Now what the sequential agent does is it executes a fixed sequence of steps one after the other. If we have the same process that is happening, then we can use the sequential agent. Say for example, we want to fetch the competitor pricing, then compare it with our pricing and suggest the price update. So that is like a similar steps that is happening. So in that case, we can use a sequential agent there. Now there is a parallel agent. Now what the parallel agent does is it runs multiple sub agents or tasks at the same time. Parallelly, it will run these different AI agents. Now, this is best for speeding up processes where the task doesn't depend on each other. For example, let's say for analyzing the customer reviews, then competitor pricing and product performance. These three things can be done in parallel using the parallel agents. The next one is the loop agent. The loop agent repeats an action or set of actions until a certain condition is met. This is best for iterative tasks like checking the inventory across many SKUs or processing a list of products. For example, if we are asking the agent to go through a CSV of 100 products, generate the descriptions one by one and then upload them. In that case, we can use loop agent. There we are setting a condition which is 100 products. So until that 100 products condition is met, the agent will continue working. There is another agent which is a custom logic or the custom agent. Now this is like in case we want to create custom solutions for like different purposes. In that case we can use the custom agent which is over here. Another feature of ADK is that it is model agnostic, which means we can actually integrate different models into it like Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, whichever model we want we can actually integrate. Then it is deployment agnostic, which means we can deploy it into any of your own hosted server, or we can use AWS, Azure, whichever platform you can use. Now it is also compatible with other AI frameworks. For example, LangChain, Crew AI. So if you have an AI agent built on those platforms, we can actually integrate it with the ADK. So it is compatible with other AI frameworks as well. Now let us take into example a use case how we can actually make use of the ADK or the agent development kit in case of a e-commerce store. So let's create an AI agent that will help you to write the product descriptions, which actually takes too much time. Now the real problem when writing product description is that every time a new product is added to an online store, it needs a product title, then a detailed description, SEO keywords, the highlighting features of that product. Sometimes even blog articles or social media captions are required for those products. For a store adding maybe 50 to 100 plus products monthly, writing good quality content manually is a little bit exhausting, time consuming and expensive. Now if a store owner rush or copy paste poor contents, now the products will rank lower on Google. It will be bad for SEO. Then the listings will look unprofessional and the launch timelines also get delayed. Now let's see how we can solve this problem using ADK by creating an AI agent for that. Using Google's agent development kit, we can actually build a product description writing agent that automates this entire process. Now let's see how it works. The store owner uploads product details like the name, key features, material usage, etc. and the AI agent reads the raw data. It then uses a large language model like Gemini or ChatGPT behind the scenes, and it generates catchy product title, detailed SEO, optimized product descriptions, and all the features that needs to be highlighted. We can also actually optionally add if even it can suggest SEO meta titles and meta descriptions for the Google search. Now the output can be shown directly in a dashboard or saved into a CSV file, or we can actually upload it directly into the e-commerce platform via the admin API, whether it be Shopify, WooCommerce, or whichever e-commerce platform you are using. Now I have created an AI agent over here that helps to write the product description and blog post for a Shopify store or any e-commerce store. Now I have connected it to a Shopify store. Now let us see how this agent works. So when I have given here a hi message, so when I give a hi message, the agent will ask me what would I like to do. So whether it is to generate a product description or write a blog post. So I'm giving number 1, which is the generate product description. So it will ask me to give the title of the product or the handle for which I want to generate the product. So in my product Shopify product background, I can give the product that I wanted to create a product description. So let me take this product. I can give either the product title or the handle of the product I can give. I'm just giving the product title now. So I'm giving this product title. So now our agent is working over here. These are the events that are happening based on the backend code that we have given. Now it has completed the task and it is telling me okay, I have updated the product description for the collection for the particular product name. Now let us go and check the product. Now you can see that automatically the product description is created for this particular product. So the agent actually creates the product description and automatically updates it on my Shopify. I didn't it's done automatically. We have connected this Shopify store with the agent and it's automatically updating the product description. Now let us say I wanted to create a blog post, so I'm just giving the option which is number 2, and it is asking me how many words do you want the blog post to be. So let me say maybe 200 words. Okay, so I'm giving the number 200. What topic do you want to write about? How to use snowboard. So this is what I'm going to give. Now it is automatically creating the blog post and it has published the blog post also. Now it's giving me the final URL where I can check the blog post. Password. Now it have given me the blog post URL. It has already posted it and give me the URL. Now you can see it has created the blog title and then all the contents for the blog it has created based on the number of words that we have given. If you come here also, we can see the blog that is written over here, how to use a snowboard. Automatically it wrote this blog and gave us the URL. So this is the AI agent that we have created for adding the product description and blog post for Shopify store. So this is the AI agent that we have created using the Google's agent development kit for a Shopify store. It will automatically create the product description and write the blog post. We can actually add more features based on the results. We can iterate the code and create more functionalities into this. This is just a basic one that we have created just to show an example. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more contents about AI and e-commerce. Thanks for watching.